In this video, we'll show you how to install the 123BIM Navigator. In order to install the 123BIM Navigator, please make sure that your computer has the minimum system requirements in order to use the Navigator application. To view the specs, left-click on the Help icon on the top right corner of the project homepage on 123bim.com and go to page 53 of the PDF document. To download the Navigator, on the project homepage, go to the bottom of the page and left-click on Downloads. On the pop-up window, left-click on Download 123BIM Navigator. Once the installer has been downloaded to your computer, double-click on the installer and follow the installation wizard. Now that the installation is complete, let's close the browser. Double-click on the application and enter your login information. Please note, when accessing the Navigator for the first time, it requires to log in only once. Afterwards, your login is automatic. Once logged in, you will see your project already appears, but not yet synchronized. The project will sync automatically. This could take some time, so please wait until the yellow arrow turns green. Now that the arrow is green, we can access the project through the Navigator.